I look for the lovebird's stomach for food because it provides love with the nutrients it needs. Cereal food for young birds is different from that for adult birds. Feed the lovebirds fresh vegetables such as green lettuce, spinach, carrots, green peas, tomatoes, parsley, radishes and cucumbers. Birds do well with wheat due to its high chlorophyll content. Do not serve avocados to lovebirds because they are. Boiled eggs are a favorite meal for lovebirds and are nutritious because they provide a portion of protein for them. Offer fruit to lovebirds such as pears, bananas, grapes, strawberries, raspberries, apples, oranges, tangerines, kiwis, figs, cantaloupe, cherries, and lemongrass. You can offer dried fruits that do not contain sulfites. Seeds are provided that they are not the only food because they contain great nutritional value for them. Offer small nuts to the lovebirds like hazelnuts. Do not serve food that is high in fat, sugar or preservatives. A lot of time. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive all new